Hola, 4th grade, Profe Correia here. This is the information covered in the live Zoom for the second week of school, so September 8th through September 11th. If you were part of our live Zoom, that's great. You can skip ahead to the part of this video where we review the conversation and an additional part that we're going to learn so that you can do the assignment, which is the interactive notebook. For those of you who missed the Zoom, you can tune in starting here, and we're going to review what we covered in class this week. So here we go. Hazlo ahora. Responder a la pregunta en la página siguiente. Respond to the question on the next page. ¿Qué prefieres hacer durante el verano? What do you like to do during the summer? Yo prefiero, and then you can fill in the blank. Yo prefiero jugar fútbol, jugar videojuegos, jugar básquetbol, hablar con mis amigos, ir de viaje, comer helado, pasar tiempo con mis mascotas, ir a la playa. Hablando de mí, talking about myself, yo prefiero pasar tiempo con mis mascotas, o mi mascota, mi perrito, Toby. I like to spend time with my dog, Toby. Now, I want you to look at the options and see if you can repeat this phrase, yo prefiero, and fill in what you like to do best. Ready? Here you go. Did you share it? That's awesome. Well done. This is a little bit of a guessing part, so this is what I want you to do. ¿Qué significa la palabra artesanía? What do you think the word artesanía means? Did you guess something with art? Well done, you're correct. Artesanías are handcrafts or crafts that were handmade that come from other countries. In some of our classes, some of my friends said that they had artesanías from the Philippines or artesanías from Mexico. I'm going to show you just a few examples of artesanías that I have. So this is the first one. I have an artesanía from Colombia. It's this little horse that's a photo holder. He's holding little coffee sacks, and if you can see, he's made of yarn and he holds a picture. Another artesanía that you might find are bags that are woven. So this is a woven bag from the indigenous community Wayuu. And so if you can see, it's made of this really thick string. Another type of artesanía is jewelry. So actually the earrings I'm wearing are artesanías from Colombia. This is an example of an artesanía. So it's a hand-painted picture on a pair of earrings. And if you can see those lines on the back, it's made of a coconut shell. You also might find just some beaded jewelry as an example of an artesanía. This Colombia little thing that I have hanging on the wall is an artesanía from the Amazon down at the bottom part of Colombia. So artesanías are pieces of art that are handmade. We're going to take a little viaje to the country of Nicaragua. Nicaragua is located in Central America. It's that big yellow country right there. And to start, I actually used to live in Nicaragua, and so my friend wanted to say hello to you all from the country of Nicaragua. Here we go.
Hola, mi nombre es Darwin Trujillo y soy de Nicaragua. Hasta pronto.
We're also going to take a quick tour of the Masaya market in Nicaragua. So I want you to look and see what types of artesanías you notice as we're going through the market in this little virtual tour. moving on to the conversation and the content part of what we're going to be learning, I want you to listen to this next conversation and tell me what you think is happening. Ready? Hola, soy Juan. Mucho gusto. Soy Wilson. Hasta luego. Adiós. Let's listen a second time and look at the words and what's happening in the conversation. Hola, soy Juan. Mucho gusto. Soy Wilson. Hasta luego. Adiós. What do you think is happening in this conversation? If you guessed that they're greeting each other and introducing themselves, you're correct. Hola, soy Juan means hello, I'm Juan. Mucho gusto is like nice to meet you. Soy Wilson, I'm Wilson. Hasta luego, see you later. And adiós, goodbye. This is basically how a simple conversation would go. So we're going to read it again, and I'm going to insert my name, and I want you to see if you can try to insert your name when I pause. Ready? Hola, soy Profe Correia. Then you can say, mucho gusto, soy, and your name. Hola, soy Profe Correia. Hasta luego. How did you do? Do you want to try again? Okay, let's try one more time. Hola, soy Profe Correia. Hasta luego. Well done. Now we're going to move on to another type of greeting. So hola is a greeting you can use any time of day. But if you want to be a little bit more formal, there are different ways that you can greet someone depending on the time of day. So I'm going to show you some pictures, and I want you to listen to how the phrase changes based on the pictures that you see. Ready? Buenos días. Buenas tardes. Buenas noches. Do you need to hear them again? Buenos días. Buenas tardes. Buenas noches. Buenos días. You can repeat after me. Buenos días. Buenos días we typically use between 6 a.m. and 12 p.m. Or if you're up earlier than 6 a.m., anytime from 12 a.m. until 12 p.m. would be buenos días. Buenas tardes. You can repeat after me. Buenas tardes. Between 12 p.m. and 6 p.m., you say buenas tardes or good afternoon. Buenas noches. Between about 6 p.m. and 11:59 p.m., you can use the greeting buenas noches, which is good evening or good night. So this is how a conversation might go if you're using those time-specific greetings. Let's start with that top one. Buenos días, soy Profe Correia. Mucho gusto, soy. Hasta luego, adiós. Then it would change for buenas noches. Buenas noches, soy Profe Correia. Mucho gusto, soy, and the person would respond, hasta luego, adiós. Does that make sense? Great. Now that you learned the main portion of what we need to do for your assignment, you can go into Google Classroom and complete your assignment. Good luck. Bye.